Modest is a rabble rouser. At some point, not too long ago, told us that when he was chief of staff, that he wrote results of elections that brought about local government chairmen. Is that how a public officer should talk? I thought that that was going to be the end of it. I recalled again that not too long ago, he said, at the twilight of this political wahala in Rivers State, he said that he was going to talk to members of his party in the assembly to commence an impeachment proceedings against the governor. Tony Okucha came on national television and displayed how he received them, even with representatives of APC who came from the national secretariat to come and receive them. So when the chiefs were down, Tony was put on national television before the camera and he said that those people were not members of his party. He was merely wooing them. I'm trying to look at a multi-personality. Somebody who, what he says in the morning is a reflection of his masters. Because a multi-personality disorder is somebody who says one thing in the morning and acts differently in the afternoon. So it has come to a point when Rivers people should begin to know who knows his acres from his nalgo. He does not know which one he truly wants. This is somebody who even said that he was not going to participate in the local government election, which he had originally led a group of people to go for. So you can see frustration at all points. But the good thing going for Rivers people is that the governor has raised the ante. Where the governor's flight is, where he's cruising now, Tony's radar is not able to reach there. I ask, where is the destruction? Which party property was destroyed? The Nigerian police, if they could still stand up to their games, they should tell us whether there was any attempt to vandalize. I don't want to deal with somebody who on one breath tells us that he doesn't like caretaker, perhaps, and that truly his nomenclature is caretaker chairman or factional chairman. But he turns on the other side, he tells you that he doesn't like caretaker. There was nothing that he said that meant anything to anybody. Because we know that there is not in the gene of His Excellency. Governor Simela Ifubara does not have such tendencies. If there are those who have, Rivers people know. We know ourselves. We know how we have operated. And we know how he has operated in the last 14 months going forward. So he's not a man that is caught out for treachery. He's not a man that will... What does he have to do with APC? Is there an election? Are they running an election? What is his interest? I suspect and I believe strongly that the people who probably attempted to fight back were those he brought from the outside who could not execute their plans and would want the share of the booty given to them. So I don't think that there's any interest that the governor will have to... There's no reason. Is APC, that is a minority APC where he's squatting. Is he better than PDP secretariat? Why couldn't we attack any other secretariat? Why should it be APC?